It all starts with a dream, a passion, a dream my father once saw but could never fulfill. I want to carry this dream of his. But some things are easier said than done. A Pakistani girl riding all across the country on a motorbike, unsafe, unheard of, and unacceptable. The will to carry on my father's legacy is stronger than the shackles of society. I know that I believe in myself, and hence I have the power to manifest my dreams. Never let the fear of unknown overcome you. Never let the fear of society come in between you and your dreams. Because it is when you overcome these fears, your destiny awaits. क्योंकि डर के आगे जीत है.